Hey guys, if you want to know how to connect Facebook to Shopify, then this is the right video for you. As you can see here right now, I'm in the dashboard of Shopify, and the first thing you have to do, you have to go to the search bar and you have to type their Facebook channel and you have to click on this, and after that you can see the Facebook page has been opened, and just click on add app, and after clicking that, new dashboard will open here and you have to click add sales channel, okay, which is on the top right side corner. So click on that, and once you click on it, you will get redirected to a new page, and here you can see start selling on Facebook and Instagram. Now click on start setup. Now you have to connect your Facebook account with the Shopify account, right? So click on the connect account and select your Facebook account to connect it. And here you have to log in your Facebook account. So just log in here and make sure to join the account. Click on the allow, and after that click on continue. And as you can see here that we are connected to Shopify with our Facebook account, right? Now you can see here that all my products are redirected to Facebook page and everybody can see my products on my Facebook page, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you really like this video right now, make sure to subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.